Hey guys, welcome to part 8 of my Making a Discord Bot in Python YouTube series. In this video, we're going to be going over how to change the sort of playing status of our bot. It's going to be very short. It's quite literally one line of code. You can split it up into multiple lines of code, and I'd probably recommend you do so just to have a bit more clarity, and especially if you are going to I guess have a lot. You'll see how to create it, and then you can sort of decide if you want to split it up into multiple lines. More often than not, I leave it on one line just because it's not too complex, but if you really have to, you can. All right, so let's get right into that. I'm going to be putting it in my onReady function just so that when the bot becomes ready, the status is changed. All right, that's just when I want the status to be changed for the sake of this video, but you can really put it anywhere. All right, so the method, the client method that we are going to use is await client dot change presence. Whoops. Make sure you spell that right, and make sure you have the parentheses there. Now, there are sort of two things. Well, I believe there's a third thing. It's AFK, but we're not going to go over that in this video. Read through the documentation if you want a full description of how to use change presence. But there are sort of two main things within this method that we want to manipulate for the sake of changing the way the bot is displayed within the server. So as you can see right now, it's offline, whereas for me, I am online and not playing anything, right? I'm going to show you how to change those two things for your bot in this video. Let's start with the status then, shall we? So the status is going to be, it's going to be this little online part right here. So my status right now is just online, and since I'm active on Discord, like I'm clicking things and whatever, I'm online. That's just what online means. And the way we can change that for our bot is within the parentheses here, we can say status is equal to, and then we need to give it a status. And if you look through the documentation, you can see all the different status options that you have. In this case, I was thinking that since the profile picture of the YouTube bot is yellow, I would go with the idle status just so it matches. And yeah, so the way we do that is we say status is equal to Discord dot status, status is capitalized, dot idle. All right, and that will essentially set the status of the bot to idle when that line is run. And the next thing, and probably the main thing that you'll want to change when creating your change presence line, or your change presence, when you want to change the bot status, the main thing you're going to want to change is the activity, which is essentially the game that shows up. Or in this case, it might not be a game, it might simply be text, which is what we're going to do for the sake of this video. So the activity is going to be set to a game or a game object. And the way we do that is we say discord.game, where game is capitalized, and parentheses at the end. And within the parentheses here, we are going to give it a string containing the name of our quote-unquote game, although it could be anything. And I'll put something simple like, I don't know, hello there. Let's save that, and let's just double check. So await client.changePresence, and then we've changed the status to be idle and the activity to be a game known as hello there. All right, that should work. Let's run the bot. So the bot is ready, and as you can see here, we are idle and we are playing hello there. So that is essentially it. It's a real quick video that I made to try and teach you guys how to do this. And again, if you have any questions, head over to the documentation. It'll have nice full explanations on how to use the method itself, as well as you can always join the official help server or my help server down below. And with that said, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll go back here just in case anyone wants to look over the code one last time. But if you liked it, leave a like, comment down below for videos you want to see in the future. Oh yeah, I thought of something I haven't been saying recently. Press the little notification bell thing so you get notified when I create new videos. But yeah, that's the end of this video, and I hope you have a good night. Bye.